unique fun sin. Yeah! Days of the week are here to stay. Learn them with me in a fun way. Monday morning, ding ding ding. Wake up early, let's all sing. School bag ready, shoes so tight. Start the week feeling bright. Tuesday comes with a sunny slide. Run and play for a little while. Jump so high, touch the sky. Laugh and dance, don't be shy. Wednesday says, let's learn more. Open books and explore. Read and write, count 1, 2, 3. Learning is fun for you and me. Thursday giggles, ha ha ha. Tell a joke with your mama. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Friday comes, hip hip hooray. Almost time to shout and play. Sing a song, spin around. Happy vibes are all around. Saturday shouts, let's have fun. No more work, just run, run, run. Play your games, ride your bike. Do whatever you like. Sunday whispers, time to rest. Snuggle in, you did your best. Close your eyes, dream so sweet. Next week we will all repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday just for you. Saturday and Sunday say, let's all smile and learn each day. Clap, 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 stomp your feet. Days of the week are fun and sweet. Sing it once, sing it twice. Learning days is super nice.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.